Hi, it's Danielle with 4Patriots, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get clean, safe drinking water using your Patriot Pure Outdoor Water Filtration System. Before I get to that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the cute bell right next to it. We have so much amazing stuff we'll be sharing with you. You won't want to miss it. Now, before I came here, I completed step 1, which is before you use it, be sure to wash all your components of your Patriot Pure Outdoor Water Filtration System with mild dish soap and warm water. Then rinse and dry thoroughly. Now you're ready to assemble your system. So you're going to unlatch the lid and remove the drip tray and both buckets. For now, you're going to separate the filter bucket from the transfer bucket and set it aside. As for the drip tray, you can place it onto the cooler reservoir here. It doesn't look like much, but this drip tray is actually a feat of engineering. It's designed to guide any dirty water from rain or from the outside of your bucket down and away so it doesn't infiltrate your pure drinking water. Next, you're going to take your filter and install it into its pre-drilled holes right here in the bucket. Now, you'll notice there are 4 pre-drilled holes because you can fit up to 4 filters in your filter bucket at a time if you want to speed up the filtration process. But for now, since we have 2 filters, you're going to install these plugs into the holes where the filters are not in use. And just like that, you're ready to filter. So now you'll place the filter bucket on top of the drip tray and make sure to align the filter threads with holes in the drip tray. Use the transfer bucket here to collect water from any source available. Then use the transfer bucket and pour in your dirty water. And let science do the work. When the water is filtered, remove the filter bucket and drip tray and seal the lid by clamping these latches down. That ensures any falling leaves or dust or debris doesn't get into your now clean drinking water. And it also seals in and maintains the cool temperature of your water. Now there's one last step before enjoying your water, and that's to make sure you remove this anti-spill vent plug to prevent gurgling. And there you have it. You're ready to serve. Just push the front of the spigot and enjoy clean, safe drinking water. Remember, your Patriot Pure Outdoor Water Filtration Filter removes up to 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, chemicals, and heavy metals, and is good for filtering over 5,700 gallons of water, making it the perfect device to keep in your RV, boat, UTV, or at your vacation cabin. That's all I have for you today, folks. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Where will you keep your Patriot Pure Outdoor Water Filtration System? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.